You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two words. They have a different spelling in English, but their pronunciation is exactly the same. Those are homophones. They are to be said, pronounced exactly the same way. English pronunciation, both British and American English. Right. Right. I know the GH to the top word here is are silent. Do not worry about them. Right. You could essentially spell it R-I-T. Right. That's all you need. Right. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.